And I'm going to share the screen. As you can see here, the last check will be this one, right? It's just 15-minute check. It's just to make sure that you're ready to accept the new students. The ET classes is crucial because once you have ET classes with your student, it's going to be a new business, always business opportunity, right? But if you haven't, there's some fine tuning needed, then we must do it before you take that ET classes. Because mangyayari is there's like wastage of company client resources because they're students, they're clients, right? So business is lost once you lose that ET class. That's the importance of that. Okay, so you're gonna be checked with this criteria. This is the percentage, communication 25%, how you carry yourself, how you deliver your class, how you operate the system, and then your familiarity with Booth, and then the TA. So maybe here, this is newly added to, it's what I shared with you, the subjective evaluation. So, well, oh, sorry, this is the teacher's profile rather. So this is your recording. Yeah, so it consists of your video, your audio, your picture, like a cover photo for that video. Yeah. So questions here,
None so far, TM.
Teacher JR?
None, TM.
Okay. These will be the questions, and as you know, the answers are here. So I'm pretty sure you have checked out already. So we're gonna discuss the first one. So Teacher JR, can you please read the first one in communication?
Please write an apology letter to your NL students when you have to cancel all NL classes due to a family emergency.
Yeah. Do you know what this means?
Yes, I mean, if there is an emergency, you should, let's say, tell a message to your students about the family emergency as well, or yeah, and maybe say sorry to them.
Yeah.
But I am not sure how can we do that? Do we need to, let's say, ask the DA for that, or we're gonna send it directly to the student?
No. Teacher Joanne, can you please tell Teacher JR where to leave this?
Actually, there is a section for that in the Itongzo. When you click on the when you click on the name of the student, so you can have the access on it. But if it's like difficult, you can actually tell TA about it.
Not anymore. Not anymore, Teacher Joanne. Because
Oh, so it's new.
the message is gonna be from the system, not from not through TA. There are also some let's say you have some notes, extra notes for the students, such as maybe you wanted to share with them some idiomatic expressions that they need to review. You can click that from the system.
Oh, wow.
Item 0. Because I did not open it. Maybe check one features class. So I'm going to share one teacher's page. Can you see that? Okay, the ET class is gonna be looking like this with an EP. The NL class will be looking like this. There's no EP. So, okay, you're saying you click the student's name, right, Teacher Jawan? So where do I click that here?
Nagbago na po pala?
Yeah.
Oh,
You
okay.
have access to the Ding Talk, right? And in the GC. So I ask you to back read. There was some messages about that, Teacher Joanne, in the GC. Have you back read in the GC, Teacher Joanne?
I am back reading right now po.
Okay, we can go back to that, okay? So remind me about that because I announced that in the GC, and then there's something that you could click. There are some pictures that you could click from your site. Okay, you can try to discover it and then share with Teacher JR because it's very important. You cannot share anymore through the TA. Okay, so just so we can stick to what we're supposed to discuss, we will just go back to that. Okay. So next, this one, Teacher JR.
If you need to cancel one AD class tomorrow due to a scheduled power outage, how would you send your message in the TA group and not notify TA about it?
Okay, how do you do it?
All right.
Have you
How would
finished
you
the day
send?
2 and day 3?
Yeah, how would you send your message in the TA group and notify TA about it? Uh, it seems to me that you're just gonna send a message to them. I guess 6 hours before the class time, if
Yeah,
I'm not
preferably.
mistaken.
The
Yeah, or
earlier, the
maybe
better.
the earlier the better.
Mm-hmm. How
And
do you do it? What's your format?
I forgot.
Okay, maybe
Um,
you can help Teacher JR, Teacher Joanne.
In
You
terms
don't
of
know.
that, actually, TM, I had already, because in my time, it was like last year when I had a power interruption, I just messaged TA about it and then I screenshot about the information and said, "Good day, TA. I'm sorry to disappoint you. However, we had some power outage here, so I'm asking you to cancel all of my class. However, I will compensate the time that was being canceled in our next class." In that kind, that's how I do it.
Okay, you don't screenshot the schedule. You click the class detail. You know where to get the class detail, Teacher Joanne?
It's when you click the name of the student kasi TM, lalabas dun yung mga class details eh. So when you when you scroll down, you can actually see the schedule on it. You can cancel it and then there's like a message dun sa ilalim nun and then you can apologize to it by the student or you can message about it.
Okay, be ready to share your screen, Teacher Joanne.
Actually, I don't have any students right now, TM, so I can't show how do I do it.
You can go to the test page.
Okay pa.
Oh, you did not. You can access the test page. Am I right?
Yes po.
Okay. So just FYI, this is the copy ID. So if I
Mhm.
copy ID, I'm going to paste this in Skype. This is my Skype. IELTS, right? IELTS. Let's check. Okay, let's say this is the class ID, right? It needed the class ID. Why? Because you're referring to this class. Let's say there are 3 classes that will be affected then you need to copy ID the 3 classes. And then how do you communicate with TA is you put here, what do you want TA to do? So you can say, TA, I'm very sorry, as you said, there's a power outage in my place. It's a, let's say, provincial-wide outage. And so my power backup doesn't work. So please cancel these classes for me. So all the time, your remark has to have what you want TA to do and to which class is affected. Okay. So let's say it's kind of hard for you to get the class ID. Then you can do that, or you can mention from 1300 to, let's say, 1400. You can just mention that I cannot access the system, which is this one, right? This is a copy ID. Okay. So for you, Teacher JR, there has to be an orientation, because let's say you don't know what to click, right, when your student hasn't arrived and so on. So we need to schedule for you before you start. You need to have an orientation. Okay. By the way, Teacher Joanne, you mentioned that if ever you have an outage, you will just mention that you have an outage. But what about your backup?
Actually, the it will last for among like 3 hours yung UTP namin. But if that's the case,
Yes.
this is what I normally do. I screenshot T, TA about it regarding sa power outage namin dito. And then I communicate with him or with her that my UTP will only last for 3
UPS.
hours. UPS.
UPS.
Sorry, my UPS will only last for 3 hours. And then if I can't do this one, or if it cannot last long, I will travel to the nearby, let's say to the nearby places where I am welcome, such as my auntie's place. And then doon ako magka-class. But again, I would communicate TA about it. So I will
Yes.
apologize if I'm going to be late about it, but I am doing some resort in order to fix the problem.
Yeah, yeah.
That's how I normally do it.
Yeah. So that's you have a backup.
Yes,
That's your
PM.
two backup. Basically, when you transfer to another place, that's another work area. Then you just mention, okay, please cancel these classes, class ID, and then I can go online at this time. So alam na nila sa schedule mo which class is that. So all the
Yes.
time, you don't say I'm going to travel to my aunt's place. You say I can go back online at this time. Okay?
Copy TM.
Teacher JR, you can follow when you have an outage, whether power or internet.
Yes,
You have
TM.
your backups, am I right?
Yes.
You have checked that. Let me share my screen. Next, Teacher JR.
I am your 80 students for IELTS. Do the warm-up using the updated icebreaker script.
Okay, can you do the ice-breaking script?
It's in the TikTok.
Oh no.
Sorry.
Paano yun kung magla-last check ka, then you will say it's in the TikTok? You should be ready to have a class, Teacher JR. You mentioned that you're ready, right? So okay, when I say, okay, can you do an ice breaking? Can you start the class?
Mm-hmm.
You'd better know how to start the class using the ice breaking script.
Oh yeah, I mean, for example, like what I
Go ahead, go.
did in the demo. Oh, hi, hello, good day. My name is Jim. What's your name?
I'm Mary.
Oh, great to see you, Mary. May I ask, are you a student or are you working now?
I'm already working.
Oh, great. You're working. So, well, may I ask, what do you do?
Well, I do a lot of things, but primarily I train a lot of teachers in my team.
Oh, got it. Great. Well, Mary, a lot of my students really enjoy watching movies such as comedy. They're really fond of it. I just want to ask a little about you. I mean, what are the things that you love doing in your free time?
Unfortunately, I don't have much free time these days, but if I can do some yoga exercises or listen to music, then I would love.
That's great to hear. A lot of, people here in my country also love doing that. And I found it fascinating as well. By the way, I just want to ask you, let's talk about a little about your goal. That's why you're here. You're taking an IELTS practice. Have you taken the exam before, or it is your first time?
Oh, it's my first time.
It's your first time. All right. Well, since it's your first time to take the exam, I'm gonna tell you something about the information, a little information about part one, part two, and part number three.
Okay, I'm convinced you can do the icebreaking. Thank you very much. Teacher JR, let's move on to the next part.
Please describe a recent problem you met during the enrollment process. The goal is to make me understand your problem and can give you my answers. Okay, so I mean the enrollment process, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess it's okay because I already asked you about it, TM.
Sorry. So you
Uh,
mean there's no problem about it?
yes, because I guess I already finished, right? All the
Yes.
requirement.
I
Yes.
just need to double check it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just remember that there are answers here. Okay, here. Communication. Can
Mm.
you read this, Teacher JR?
Um, I mean the answers, right?
This is the answer to the
I'm
first.
very sorry to inform you that I have to cancel our scheduled classes this afternoon. I have a severe disaster or serious
Oh
illness.
yeah. Sorry. This is the sample answer, right? This one
Mhm.
here.
Sorry. Please write an apology letter to your NL students when you have to cancel at all NL classes due to family emergency.
Yeah. So it's just a matter of where to do it in the system, right? Because I haven't done this. I'm not a teacher. Okay. I just need to let you know where to do it in the system. So maybe also you can back read Teacher Joanne in the GC. Teacher Joanne.
Aren't we going to write that in the class comment? But when we are going, I mean, when we're gonna cancel, because here in the desktop kasi or in the platform or in the program,
Mhm.
there is this please finish the BSR in time. So dito po yung part na magka-cancel ka ng class. And then below is the class comment.
Okay. Can you tell me where is that, Teacher Joanne?
So the class comment, it is under when you're going to click the student's name. Tapos you're going to scroll down. Meron dito, please finish the BSR in time or the class cannot be completed after 10 minutes after class. So if you're going to cancel, you have TNC1, teacher emergency cancel, teacher absent completed. And then when we talk about power outage or emergency cancel, click the teacher
Sweetheart, I
emergency
need you to
cancel.
tell me where to click. Tell me where to click.
Please click the teacher emergency cancel. It's
Where?
below. If you can't see, I'm going to see it. You need to scroll down first.
I'm already super down.
Okay, good. Wait for a while. That's different compared to my. Uh, is it super down?
Yeah.
Teacher TNCT. All right, cool. The next thing is that you're going to click the. It's. All right. Can you scroll down TM? Super down. Ba't
And this is
ganon?
the end of it. This is the class comment. You mean this one?
Yes, you're going
So
to
you write it
paste the
here.
script. Yes.
And then where's the save?
Where's the save? Hindi ko makita.
Okay, you can research that later, okay?
Oh, it's in my side po kasi. Ganito yung mukha niya. I'm going to screenshot it. Because this is where I normally do it. Or I normally write it here.
This is an
This one.
active teachers page here.
Oh,
It's an active teachers page. So it means whatever you see, it should be here as well.
okay. Dyan po sa teacher
Last
emergency
comment.
cancel. Yes.
Teacher emergency cancel. This one.
Uh-huh. Yes. And then enter.
Oh, this
And you
one.
can click there. Yes, there are some reasons out there. So if you're going to, I mean, you can
Okay,
just click
and then where do you write the
OK.
message?
In the class comment, you're going to write the message in the class comment.
This one.
Yes.
So not
And after
here.
that, you can actually,
Not here.
that's the reason. That's actually the
Okay.
reason why you're canceling the class. And then after you're done with it, if
Type
like,
something here.
yes, you're going to write something there like the script and your full reason. And then afterwards, you're going to save it. And
Save
the
where?
class
Where's the
is,
button? This one?
if you can see, yes, there's the red
This
button.
button.
You're going to save it.
Okay.
And you now
And we're
canceled the
done.
class.
Okay.
Yes.
You got it, Teacher JR?
Yes, DM.
Yeah, ito kasi yung teacher emergency cancel kung magka-cancel ka, right? And then TEC yan, ito yung TNC.
TNC.
If it's like more than 6 hours, then you click this. Okay, now we know. Thank you very much, Teacher Joanne. Wait a minute. We share screen. Now we know the answer. We move back to the question. System operation. I think this will be easy. How would you check your booking, Teacher JR?
Yeah, you're just gonna open the page. You're gonna log in. I guess it's kind of automatic, and then you will see if it is there is an ET. It means it is a ET class or trial class, and if it is there is no ET, it's a NL class.
Like what we saw. Okay. How to prepare the class in advance? What should you do?
Like what I watched earlier, you're just gonna click the name of the students in the teaching page, and then you can see the date as well, and you can definitely see the topics that the student choose, or maybe you can also edit it out.
Okay, maybe I can share that both pages. Okay, so you said to click the page, right?
Yeah, and
Click
then
the page.
when you
then
click the
it's
page, you can click the teaching plan, IELTS.
teaching plan, IELTS, and
Yes.
then
And then you can scroll down. You will scroll down. Yeah, you can refresh first, confirm, scroll up, I guess. Scroll
already
down, sorry.
super up.
Scroll down, sorry, scroll down. And then you will check the date. For instance, today is February 5.
Mm-hmm.
And then
So
once you see
you
that,
open it, right? You open the system.
yeah.
And then what
Yeah.
should you do once it's open?
Once it's open, you're gonna click the teaching page, I guess.
Yeah. Once it's open, what should you do? How do you prepare in advance? What is it that you need? What are you looking for?
You're gonna look at the topics.
Correct.
Yeah.
And then
you can prepare it. You can open it by clicking the teaching page, the green button there.
And
then when you click that, you can see the details, the words or the questions. You can put some kind of words there that might be helpful for your student as well.
Yes. Okay, so you're probably saying once you see the set of questions inside,
you can put some notes.
You can put some notes ahead of time.
On the on
What
the
kind of notes?
For instance, it can be the paraphrase terms that might be helpful for the students aside from the paraphrase words in that part. Or maybe you can also have some example answer by your own that is suitable for your student.
So I would normally prepare something, let's say the topic is like this, right? It's about
an area or subject.
about science and all.
Science.
So since let's say I'm going to encounter a student that is advanced score 7, then
Mhm.
I would prepare something, some
Mhm.
collocations or idiomatic expressions that isn't normally used by us, right?
Mhm.
Uh, I put it here below. I put it here below so
Mhm.
that once we discuss it and I encounter an advanced student, I
Mhm.
have an easy access of those words.
Mhm.
Yeah. So of course here you can see here some paraphrases already, but
Mhm.
some collocations, some idiomatic expressions are not here.
Mhm.
So okay, then let's move on to what is book remark. Teacher Joanne, book
Actually,
remark,
TM, I also don't know.
book remark. Well, book remark, di ba may mga comments like this one? May mga comments here. Sometimes may mga messages or requests here. You can see it here. But in this case, walang nakalagay. Sometimes merong nakalagay. Book remark. You got it?
Okay po.
Please.
I now, yes.
Okay,
Mhm.
so it means, let's say for this student, you see pending pa siya. And then let's say merong message dito. May mga request. Or whatever. Kunwari may message si TA, you can see it here. Okay? Next, Teacher Joanne.
If the student didn't show up on time, what should you do?
Okay, I think you know that. What should you do, Teacher Joanne? Hello?
Sorry, I was, naano ko pala siya. I muted it. So if the student didn't show up on time, you can actually click the name and then you can also click there. There is the word class remind. You can click it once again to remind the student that you have a class, or if hindi talaga gagana,
This one,
copy
class
the,
remind, right?
yes.
Yeah, on
So
the
if in
first, how many minutes?
5 minutes,
On the first 5 minutes, and student hasn't shown up, you
you're
click
going, yes, TM, you're going to click the class remind. And then
yes.
kapag hindi talaga siya nag-show up, click the student's ID, paste it in your TA's GC, and inform TA that the student is late so that they can call it. TA will call it. And if the student really did not show up for at least 15 minutes, then the class will be absent. Or the class, yes,
Okay,
the
wait,
student is absent.
wait. So copy ID, what will be your remark to TA? TA, you send it to where?
You're going to send it to the group chat of TA, and then you're
No,
going to
wait.
say,
You're going to send it to the Skype group chat
yes.
because you will be assigned a TA group. Remember
Mhm.
that Teacher JR hasn't started, Teacher Joanne. You have to be very
Sorry.
specific. Okay, so paste it in Skype GC. You will mention what is the class ID, right? And then what
Mm-mm.
else?
You're going to mention the class ID and also the time. You're
Mhm.
going to write the time and the students, I mean, the how many minutes
Yeah,
did the student
student.
miss or is late, and then you're going to say a message to TA that, or you will start with greeting that, good day TA, student ID like this is late for the time, please contact this one, I am waiting in VooV, and then you're going to send it to TA so that TA will be informed.
Yeah. So
That's
as
all.
you can see here, this is Teacher Rachel's TA group. TA mentioned that it's a trial class. Student is waiting. So opposite naman to. So you just need to prove that you're also waiting it too. But as you mentioned, Teacher Jawan, that you will send the class ID here and you will mention that student is not yet here. Please contact my student for me. Again, you be very clear what you want PA to do. Okay, please contact my student for me. Thank you very much. Let's stay after a few minutes, student arrived. Then you can say student has arrived or student is here. Or if student has not arrived, what is the waiting time, Teacher Jawan?
The waiting time is 15 minutes.
No, 25.
25. All right.
25. Don't forget that. You know why? Because let's say you're reading in VOOV, right? Like this. You're reading in VOOV, but student did not arrive. If you did not wait for the 25 minutes, instead of you will be compensated from SNC class, right? No. SEC, ano na nga ba yun? Wait. SAB.
SAB.
SAB. So student absent, right? You will be compensated for SEC, student emergency cancel, or student absent. But if you did not wait and you did not notify TAGC, then you won't be compensated. Okay. Ang mangyayari pa niyan, pwede kang i-complain ni TA kasi hindi ka nag-send ng message to contact student. Got it?
Got it, TA.
Next, can you read this, Teacher Joanne?
How can you change the topic if the student wishes to discuss something different?
Okay, maybe Teacher JR, you know how to do this?
I watched it yesterday. I guess in the teaching page,
Yeah.
where is that? You're gonna go back. Yeah, you're gonna click the teaching IELTS, I guess. Yeah. So the first thing to do is to click the name. For example, yeah, that's the name. And then you're gonna click the
Wait.
happened.
The thing is, it's too right that I couldn't, I couldn't move it. Okay, let me.
You're gonna click the name and then the teaching plan IELTS. And then what is that? Yeah. If you want to change the topic, you can click the topic.
Which one? Like,
For instance, yeah, that one, 126 at 8 p.m.
yeah, okay.
So to change the topic, you can click the topic in
This
the
one?
not
Click
that one.
what?
In the right part,
Which is?
the topic. You will click the topic.
Yeah,
The topic button. I mean the box that
this
contains
one.
that
Okay,
topic.
topic. Okay.
All right, and then when you click that, you're gonna find the topics that you desired, or maybe the students want to change.
Yeah, so it can be in part one,
Part 1, part 2,
right? And then you click, right?
yes,
Maybe
and
you
then
want
you
to
will
add mirror,
you will click in the down and below, I guess, and
uh-huh,
then you will
and
add it.
yep, and then go back, right? If it's
Yes,
yes. Okay, that
and
was it.
then you
So
will
what are the
refresh.
things you can click here?
You can click.
You can click. What are the things you can click?
You can.
Hmm.
I guess you can click the I mean, how to say, you cannot click the topics that you are not the one that handled the student, for example, if other teachers handled it.
Mhm. Okay. Yes, only your own
Yes,
name here,
your own name.
right? Okay, you can also change to mock test, correct?
Yes, yeah.
There has to be a button here. But if it's not appearing, like change to mock, you can actually add here.
Yes.
mock test.
Okay.
When you want, because let's say in the IELTS class, right, you would click the practice mode, right?
Mhm.
But if you want to change that, you can modify it here.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yung the kind of method that you wanted to do,
Mhm.
you can do it here on this part. Okay. Let's move on. This one, please. Teacher Joanne.
Where can you check this class TA name of one class?
Do you know it, Teacher Joanne?
Uh, Please, if I can remember it clearly, if you're going to click on the student's name, my you have there QQ and TA. If you're going to scroll down in the student's info, and then you're going to see who is the TA.
Yeah, this
That
one.
is, yes, that's
This
the
one.
one TM.
So this is the TA for
Mhm.
this specific class. Well,
Yes, TM.
okay, next. Teacher Joanne.
Where can you check every class status? So it's in the, again, if you're going to click on the student's name, you have their class detail, you've got their class ID, class length, and you also have there the class status.
This one, right?
Yes,
So
yeah.
at the end of each class, you must check this if it's completed. Or let's say it's SAB and it's an ET class, who will tag that class?
If it's an ET class, of course, TA is the one that can edit it. You just need to tag TA that it is a SAB class, and then TA will, she or he can edit it for you.
Yeah. So Teacher JR, if it's an IELTS, it has this. You can see IELTS. No, this one is a NL class. But if it's an ET class, then it's not NL, right? So if it's an NL class, you can tag it here. If it's like, what's the status of the class? If it's SAB, SEC, and all that. But if it's an ET class, it's only TA who can tag that. So dapat si TA ang you mentioned to TA or TA will say SAP. You just check kung ano yung class status, kung nagawa niya. Kasi magpe-pending yon kung hindi nagawa ni TA. Then you need to follow up so that wala kang pending class. Saan mo makikita yon? Dito siya. Class summary. Makikita mo may letter P, yung mga pending classes. So makikita mo kung ilan yung pending classes. Pending is yung hindi mo pa nagagawa. Pero kung past na siya, tas pending pa, then you need to remind PA. Clickable lahat yan. These are links. You can see the, let's say ito, student emergency cancel. If you click that, may mga links. Okay. Next one. Ang haba pala nitong check na to.
Where can you check the class amount? So it is still in the class detail. You've got class ID, and below you've got there the length. If you're going to see the right side, you have there the class amount, which is the charge amount.
Yeah, you mean this one, right? This one?
Yes, TM.
It's
That's
the
the
length.
charge amount.
Okay, next.
Where can you check the salary? So this time you're going to go back to the platform, and then you have there, if you're going to scroll down, you have their salary, which is the salary relate. There is this in bolden part there. All you need to do is to check or to click the salary check. If you're going to click there, you'll see that kung wala pa, it means you don't have any. Yes, wala pang sweldo, but there are history on it that, I mean, you can watch. I mean, you can see.
Yeah, salary may picture. Teacher JR, because you're new, the figure here is clickable.
Mm-mm.
Yung blue, clickable yan. Let's say 29,000, right? Click, and then ito yung breakdown. So naka-breakdown rin yan. Yung completed classes mo, NO. Ito yan. So, ET is also here. Pati yung mga sub-sec, etc. Yeah. And yung mga TNC Tech, andito rin. Namin yung ano. So, make sure huwag ka matatab kasi mahal yon 400. So, by all means, kunwari meron kang scheduled EP, itawid mo, teacher. Kasi ang mahal niya. Otherwise, you have to cancel way in advance para hindi ka mapen. Okay, next. Teacher Joanne. This one. Teacher Joanne.
Oh, sorry, I was speaking earlier. Now, the buying rate, it is below it is twice below the salary rate and the material and plan. If you're going to see meron diyang statistic report, all you need to do is to click the buying rate report, and then you now can see about your buying report. You have there your name, your status, if you're a part-time or a full-time, and then your TM, and then if you're going to tick the arrow, may makikita ka dyan kung, how many successful and or failed rate, and then you're going to see the buying rate.
Yeah, so buying rate 25%, failed rate 0, failed rate black. Failed rate black is what? Do you know what's a failed rate black?
I don't know what is in TM, pero all I can see is that it is when hindi nagustuhan ni student. Hindi ko din alam if that's
Failed
the
rate
reason.
black is when they haven't turned it down, but they haven't enrolled. So it means unsure. So they haven't bought it, but they haven't turned it down. That they haven't said that they don't like to enroll. Yun yung failed rate black. Wala pang decision.
Okay, TM.
So, eto yung talagang matagal na no result. Okay. Andyan yung, what's the difference between failed trial and failed trial black?
So, it was being discussed earlier. So, yung failed trial, yun yung hindi talaga nag-enroll si student. And then yung failed trial black, that's yung undecided pa si student.
Yes. Okay, good. Next.
How do you change a lesson from a normal lesson to a mock test? If you're going to click on yung my teaching page naman dun, kasi if you're going to click on the student's name, yeah, wait, let me check mine. You're going to check on the student's name, and then you go to the teaching page or teaching plan pala. You have there the teaching plan. You scroll. So if you can see, you have there the review link, the BSR, copy remind message or teaching material.
Sorry.
Go back to the
what do I click?
schedule po.
Huh?
This time you need to click to the my free time. You need to click to your free schedule.
Okay.
And then click a student. Click a student's name. Yes. And then this time you're going, click the teaching plan, the IELTS. And all you need to do is to scroll down, please. So if you have there, you had there an arrow, can you click it on the side? Thank you, TM. Now here, merong blue dyan, that is the topic, teaching material, preview link, teaching page, and copy remind message. So in that part, hindi mo na change yung lesson kasi it was already done. But if it's still an NL, you can, there is this red line there. Could be po TM.
This one, red.
Yes.
Do you want an NL class?
It's fine naman po, TM.
Kung ET? No, because ET has a mock, right? ET has a mock talaga. But what we're looking for is
Opo.
something to be changed into a mock, correct? Wala siyang trial class. Yes. So,
Yes, DM.
like this one, it's an NL class.
Can you scroll down to the class that is not yet taken po, DM? Okay,
So this one.
ayun. So there, if you can see, you have the topic. If you're going to look at the side, all the blues and the greens, so you have their topic, teaching material, preview, teaching page copy, and then you have there the change to mock test. You can click that if you wanted to change it into a mock test.
Yeah. Teacher JR, did you follow? Teacher JR?
Yes, DM. Yes.
So it has to be something that hasn't been done, a future class na NL. Kasi pag ET, talagang merong mock test yon na embedded. So it has to be an NL class para lalagyan mo ng mock test. Right? And then mamili ka na anong topic. Click. And I don't know, may add ba dito? Down. Yeah, confirm. Okay, we're good. Next.
How can you add teaching materials to a lesson? I think this is already done by teacher JRTM.
How can you add teaching material to a lesson? Add topic, right? Add
Yes,
topic,
DM.
correct? Okay, next.
How do you change the question used for a mock test lesson? So this time, if you can actually do this if it is an NL,
Mm-hmm.
if it's a mock test, you can
Change
just
the
change it into a
question.
normal lesson.
No, how do you change the question used
Ah,
for the mock lesson? Because this is the
all
set
right.
of this one, right? It's still this one.
Mm-mm.
Change it
Yes,
here,
DM. You can just stick. Yes,
pick it
DM.
here. It's still the same. And
Mm-mm.
then this one.
So how do you access the teaching page for IELTS lesson? I think that's already done by teacher JR po.
How do you access the teaching page for IELTS lessons? Okay. We're done. Fine. I have a meeting at 3:30. So if we don't finish, we need to have another one. Wait. Randomly, which one don't you know here? Both of you. We can just focus on that.
For me, DM, I already checked the answer on the trainings that you've sent. So I have no questions here.
So if you have, like, say, if you have 3 consecutive classes with 3 different students, can you keep the VOOV meeting going for 3 straight hours?
No,
Why not?
I guess you need to end the class because the recording, I guess it will affect the if the student wants to see the recording, I mean, they will also watch the other classes.
Yeah. So the recording will be 3 hours.
Mhm,
It won't be for each student.
mhm,
That's why you need to end each class
mhm.
at the appropriate time, which is, let's say the class is at 3 o'clock. At what time should you end it, teacher JR?
3:50.
Yes, 3:50. At what time should you enter the room?
I guess at least 2 minutes before the class time, or maybe much earlier.
3
3
minutes.
minutes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
3 minutes.
maybe
Okay, good, good, good.
exactly 3 minutes.
Where can you check the recording of the room?
Yeah, I guess in the cloud there is a. I mean,
Nope.
there's. I'm sorry. Here's my move.
Mm.
I see. It's in the teaching page, and there is a link there, I guess.
So this is a finished class yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can check the recording file.
If your duration is right, you
Yeah, that
entered
one.
3 minutes before the time and then ended on the 50th minute, the recording will be automatically linked here,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
provided you have entered properly in DingTalk. You registered with your mobile name and all that, right? And you had access to training in DingTalk. That's what you use for your VOOV enterprise. That mobile number. You logged in using that mobile number, then your password. So if you did it like that, then your VOOV will be automatically here. Meaning to say, if you're using another version of VOOV, let's say a free version, it won't be here. You get it? So the VOOV registration started with DingTalk. What number you used in DingTalk? That's the one that you will use for your VOOV login. So if you're using the VOOV Enterprise, then it will attach here. Got it? Teacher Joanne, Teacher JR, you
Yes,
followed
DM.
DingTalk and VOOV Enterprise registration correctly, right?
Yes, DM.
Yes.
Then we're good. How about this one? If there's one NL student who booked your 2-hour classes, how long should you keep the meeting going?
I guess.
Joanne, Teacher Joanne.
In my
What's the
case
point
po,
their registration?
in my case po, I would keep the whole hour clean and like 1 hour agad-agad. And then when it reached to 2 hours, I will end it at 2:50 because it's just the same with your 50 minutes class.
So it means for a 2.0 duration, which is 100 minutes, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so let's say it starts at 1 o'clock. You enter 3 minutes before the time. At what time should you end it?
I will end it at 2:53.
2:53. So that is 1 1 to 1:50, correct? That's the first 50 minutes. And then do you have a break?
No.
No break.
You can, yes.
So then that includes the another 10, the supposed 10-minute break, then that eats up the other 50 minutes. Kasi 50 minutes, correct?
Yes, DM.
So it means 150 yung first 50 minutes. Then 2 o'clock ando na yung extra 10 minutes, right? At 2 o'clock.
Yes, DM.
And then your remaining time is 40.
Mm-mm.
Yes? Tama ba ang math?
Yes po.
So 2:40.
Okay.
Non-stop po yun. Hindi
Sorry?
na non-stop o mag-i-stop.
Non-stop. Kasi hindi nag-break si teacher eh.
Okay. So we have the free will if we will stop.
It can be, kaya lang I have only 4 minutes. It can be an arrangement between you and the student.
Okay, I see.
So you can have a break, maybe like few minutes in between, and
Mhm.
then you can have another 50 minutes,
Okay, I see.
right? But if the student wanted to continue, then 50 and 50. What's the computation of that if you started at 1 o'clock?
240.
Get it? 240. 240, dear. Teacher Joanne. Why
Sorry
250?
po. It's
Ano,
just
mali lang
that
yung math.
in our previous campaign po kasi, in my previous PM, we are not allowed to end the class at 2:40. We need to continue it until 2:53 because it's what we are trained for.
Wait a minute. 2.0 duration. Maybe I can ask that and then please ask me again. Remind me, Teacher Joanne, okay?
Yes po, TM.
And then yung, what else? Yung, saan yung, may screenshot ako nun eh, yung message. Message not through TA but through the system. Yeah, I'll give you screenshots of that. The last one would be, matatapos tayo sana 3:10. Okay. What's the TA's main job? But you need to re-enter my room because why? I'm down to my last 2 minutes. Maybe how about we use Skype to discuss TA? I'll be using
That
Skype to
will be
call you.
fine.
But
Okay, TM.
will you be fine to finish TA or you have something else?
I have
I
a
have
Go.
well, I have this scheduled class with my private student po, TM.
Okay.
So
then
I won't be able.
let's chat in Skype. At what time could we discuss TA and then the last 2 items that we need to find the answer, okay?
Okay, TM.
Well, today is Wednesday. If you can, Thursday is also fine. I
Okay.
just have a meeting at 4:00.
All right, TM.
We can chat.
Thank you, TM.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank you.
TM.